Building the Future, Green Building in the New Millennium, brought to you by Sustainable Homes of the Future. Our natural world is in crisis. We need solutions now. Join the conversation today.
We'll keep touching on it, but the HVAC 2.0 process, it's an entire process, and the easiest way to look at it is it's like nursing for houses. But nurses, they have to solve problems quickly and well every day, repeatedly. So they have a process. It's called ADPI. They assess the problem. They diagnose the problem. They plan what the solution is, they implement the solution, and then they evaluate if that solution worked. And so we have that built in to our process. So the more we can pull the clues together, it also makes me think like Scooby-Doo, ooh, a clue, like people just leave that stuff lying around. Lousy murderers if they're leaving clues around for teenagers to find.
Yeah, you could be Nate the house detective as well as the house whisperer, I suppose.
Kind of, yep. So what we're trying to do is we are trying to create a Venn diagram. So there's 3 circles in the Venn. There are what the client goals are. There's what the budget is for the project, and there's what their house needs. And then you also think about, renewable energy is getting cheaper and cheaper. We're on a downward cost curve.
Right.
So like oil and gas, those are stable technologies. Frack gas is as cheap as we have seen in 40 years, and frackers are not making money. They're starting to have trouble getting loans because they haven't made money for so long. So the odds of natural gas prices going down are basically zero.
Yeah.
It's not going to get a lot cheaper than where we are. Where renewables, when you look at solar and winds, they're like flat screen TVs. Their costs are plummeting. So are batteries. So they have further down to go. And at this point, we're basically at cost parity, operation cost parity between the two. It's within 20%. So, it depends where you are. It could be a little better, a little worse.
Well, and that's for the appliances to some degree too. I mean, when you're looking at, like you said, that smallest gas furnace versus the largest or a right-sized electric heat pump, you're looking at a pretty similar cost as well. Am I right?
Yeah,